How to do a long position on Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to do a long position in Bybit. After you open the Bybit, go to trade. After you go to trade, so the first thing to do, so now you tap on this option now and select the pairs you want to trade. So for this video, I want to trade, let's say BTC. After you select the pairs you want to trade, so the next thing to do, so make sure at the top now you tap on this buy button. So the buy is the long and the sell is the short. So for this video, I said I want to do a long position. I'll tap on this long buy. So from there, I'll tap on this limits. So now you go ahead now and choose this limits, or you can choose limit, or you can choose this TP and LP. So for the where you want to buy a quantity of BTC if it goes to that amount. So for this video, I want to use the TP and LP. So I'll type in this option trigger. Let's say I want BTC. If BTC goes to, like, let's say 800,000, I want to buy the BTC when it goes to 80,000. So if you scroll to down now, you type in the amount of the BTC you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 5 BTC. After you type in 5 BTC, if you scroll to down, here is now the option. So now you need to have this amount on your wallet before you can be able to place the trade. So if I tap on this buy button, so now my trade will be in this position. If you tap on this buy, my trade will be in this position, and from there I will be continue monitoring the market. Whenever now BTC goes to this amount that I gave, that's trigger amount, that's 80k, that's the 80,000. If BTC goes to 80,000, from there the long position that I open, it will just automatically buy the BTC for me at that price. That's the long position. So if you have the amount on your wallet, just tap on the buy button. So from there your position will be in this option. Tap on this position. By default, it will be this like order in this. Just tap on this position. Here you'll be able now to see the position open. And then from there you'll be able now to just monitor the market. And if you want to cancel it, if you come to this, or if you come to the position section, you'll be able to see a cancel button at this option. After you tap on the cancel button, so from there the market will cancel your long for TP and SP. That's take profit and stop loss. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.